Place tub and shower handles where they are easiest to reach for all users, usually along the side of the fixture rather than directly opposite the entrance. For optimal ergonomics, mount handles at 36 inches from the finished floor unless a specific user requires a different height. Consider the reach envelope of typical users by measuring from a standing or seated position to ensure controls fall within easy forward reach without bending or twisting. When planning, placement factor in the handle type because single lever controls require less fine motor skill and can be positioned slightly higher than dual knob setups that need more wrist movement. Center handles horizontally so they are easy to operate whether the user is standing, seated, or using a transfer bench, and leave at least 6 inches of clear wall space beside the control to avoid interference from grab bars or shelving. Always consult the fixture manufacturer guidelines for recommended rough-in and clearance dimensions to prevent water intrusion and to ensure valve access for future service. If accessibility is a priority, install pressure-balanced or thermostatic mixing valves and place the control where it is reachable from both inside and outside the tub to allow temperature adjustment before stepping in. Common mistakes include placing controls too low, which forces users to bend and increases slip risk, so raise the control to 36 inches or to the user-specific height to reduce bending. Another issue is locating handles behind a user where reaching backward is required, and that creates balance problems, so relocate the control to the side or front where forward reach is possible. A third frequent concern is conflicting placement with grab bars or soap niches, which makes operation awkward. Resolve this by mapping all fixture locations on the wall beforehand and keeping a minimum of 6 inches between controls and other mounted items. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples and estimated costs to help plan ergonomic handle placement. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips so we can all learn from real installations and make smarter remodeling choices.